Our cooperation is essential.
We expect that the Green Deal remains the proper compass also to drive Europe's recovery after the COVID-19 pandemic.
What we are seeing developing here in Israel,
to continuing to work together.
And while plastic is a great packaging material, it keeps our food safe.
We were already looking at Israel for some aspects of the Green Deal, for more cooperation.
Now, as the world turns to recovery from the COVID-19.
The other point I wanted to make is that everything in our life is interconnected.
Let's use this momentum to advance our shared mission.